Hello and welcome to Musings by Amit. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. Musings by Alex. I read one article in Future Programmer also replaced by AI. Is it true? GPT 3, so I think I explained this in very much detail that. The magazine says future programmer, which is all about future, which means that they are going to write about future technologies which are coming in, which should be good to read, good to understand. If you can, if you know for certain, if you know some company which are working on this technology, if you can go and work with them, well and good. But not, then focus on today, because what you do today will create your future tomorrow. Your future is not created by what happens in the industry, what happens in the news. Your future is created by what expertise you gain. Your future is created. Maybe you learn data science and you become a master in data science in 3 years, and then you decide to become a master in machine learning. You spend time to learn machine learning 1 year, and you become a master in machine learning, and then you start learning artificial intelligence and you learn artificial intelligence. So in 5 years period of time, by your own willpower and by your own determination, you become a master of data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, to an extent that after 5 years, people come to you as an expert on these three technologies, where all these three technologies are required in combination. Correct? If you invest in that today, then tomorrow it will help you. Or these tool developers come to you and say, look, Alex, you are someone who knows all these three technologies. We want to build our tool to certain extent. We want features in this. Will you become our product manager or product guide who can help us build this tool based on these three technologies? So you prepare for that in that manner. Okay, if that comes up. So, everyone, thank you very much for attending this live. Spread the word around for this channel. These lives are happening 3 hours long. I'm trying to bring as much information as possible with every live. And see you on the next live on Thursday, 9:05 p.m. Thank you very much.